Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Click on that button below, leave some comments, click on that bell so you get notified of my next video. They get released 7 AM every single morning here in the UK. So today's tip of the day is about your video framework and how you're going to set up your videos for success. That's pretty easy really when you know the actual tips and the tricks, but I'm going to share that with you now. I'm just going to share my screen so you see exactly what I'm looking at, what I'm talking about here. So bear with me. Let me just share my screen with you right now. Okay, right. First one is the hook. Okay, grab the attention of your audience. It is so important. Now this can be text on screen. It can be you talking and actual verbalizing that hook. So like, need extra income for Christmas. Stop scrolling if you're sick of living paycheck to paycheck. Hey parents. It could be whoever your audience is, right? It's different for everybody, whatever niche you're involved with. But think about your hook. Think about putting it in bold on screen and capturing their attention, because people scroll very quickly these days, right? So make sure you're capturing their attention straight away from the off. And point two, you need to be offering value, right? So when you're talking about your hook is going to grab their attention, your value is going to keep them engaged because you're going to be talking about the benefits or the solution to their problem, their pain points. And I'm not saying this to be in a bad way, but we've all got pain points, okay? We've all got reasons why we're doing this and why we want to better our lives. So has your perfect customer. They've got pain points. They've got a lot to gain from starting an online business. So you just need to share that with them, share the solution with them, okay? That's your value. 100% profit if you're with master resale rights like I am. Talk about that. That can be a game changer for a lot of people, because one sale and they get their full investment back, right? So just talk about it. Income producing activities, like when you're part of a particular program that I'm involved with, there's income producing activities that you can get done within 2 hours. I've actually done it in an hour before now. Now that's not saying you're going to run your whole business in 2 hours a day, but you are able to carry out income producing activities. So you remain consistent in your business and do that at the very least on a daily basis to keep your business going in the right direction. Talk about it. Value, massive value. People who've got busy lives, really busy lives, busy parents, work-life balance insane. So they don't have a lot of time. So talk about that. Okay, then of course, bring in your story. How my automation system is working for me. It's magical. I love my automation system, and you get it done for you free with a particular program I'm part of. So I get my funnels done for me. I got the emails done for me. I got the website done for me. And the automation system works for me 24/7, which is how I made $1,000 in the first 3 days of being on holiday this year. I wasn't working. My automations will keep selling for me in the background. And they can be whatever you want them to be. So talk about it. Give your story. Give your experience. Okay. And of course, number 4, finish off with a call to action, your CTA. Show viewers what they need to do next. Don't just finish your video and say goodbye, see you next time. Give them a call to action. Tell them to go and ask for more information. Drop a comment, or drop writing comments, drop one in comments, drop yes in comments, whatever it is. Don't leave them hanging because they'll scroll and go on to someone else. Tell them what they need to do next. Click the link in bio, whatever it is for you, but give them a clear action plan. Action what they need to do next. That's your CTA. Hope that helps. Very short one today, guys, to the point, and more specifically, hopefully it's going to help you create content that converts and get you more engagement, get you more followers, and more importantly, get you some subscribers and some sales. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow for next tip of the day.